Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to purchase cheap domains on GoDaddy. Alright, so if you are using GoDaddy for domain registration, you might see offers like this that you can get .com domain for a penny for the first year. But what you have to know is that this is actually not a really great deal, because to get the first year for a penny, you have to buy the domain for 3 years, and the additional years are 22 USD per year. So if you want to buy cheap domains on GoDaddy, you can still do it, and let me show you how to find these kind of domains. So of course you won't get .com for less than $1, but there are some domains, TLDs, that you can get for less than $1. So you can see that, for instance, .shop, you can get it for $1. But what are some other TLDs that you can get for cheap? I can find this because these domain prices are dynamically changing. So what you have to do is go to your favorite AI, so ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, and ask the AI what are the cheapest domain. TLD stands for this .shop.com.org that I can buy for 1 year only. Because if it's a multi-year lock-in, it's not really a great price usually, because you have to pay the regular price for second and third year and so on and so forth. So the AI will search GoDaddy and find all the domain names that you can get for less than $1 or less than $2. So as you can see, you can get .shop for $1.50 USD. You can get .xyz, .site, .online, .space, .store, .help, .living for less than $1 USD for a year. And even the renewal is more expensive. So as you can see, it starts from 21. What you can do is just transfer that domain to a more affordable registrar. The one I'm using is Dynadot. And then even for the renewal, you're not going to pay this high price. So once you found the TLD that you like, so let's say it's .xyz, all you have to do is just add domain name with that TLD, then click on search domains, and if the AI wasn't hallucinating, you will find the domain for that cheap price. So as you can see, currently we can get XYZ for less than $1. So all we have to do is just click on domicile. GoDaddy will add this domain to our cart, and we click next, and we basically have to check out. Alright, they're selling domain protection to you, which you don't need, so select no domain protection here. This is useless. Yeah, you don't have to buy email as well, just click continue to cart. And this is the annoying thing that GoDaddy is doing. So automatically it has added 5 years of registration, which is unethical in my opinion, but what you have to do is change it back to 1 year, and now we get the cheap price of $1 USD for a full year. And as I mentioned, when it's time for renewal, just transfer the domain to Dynadot or any other cheaper domain registrar, and you will still get the great deal at GoDaddy, but won't get charged with the hefty renewal fee. And then we just have to add the payment method, and you're gonna be able to get this domain for this price. GoDaddy is really slow right now, but whatever. So all in all, this I can buy cheap domains on GoDaddy.